This is the finished look. Don't know if you can see it properly. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm currently at the hairdresser, going to get my hair done. Gonna try the passion twist ear. Let's see. Every time I get some little bump, you know. Oh, this man. But yeah, I'm gonna try the passion twist ear, guys. And I mean, I see everybody wearing it, so I want to see if it look cute on me. Why you late? Why you wig? What did I tell you about 10 o'clock? Stop. Guys, heading out to get another pack. How would I? Another pack of this ear. This is actually crochet. Me made the mistake and get the wrong ear, but anyways, it still look good. So you go in here, good ear, just things work out good. I'll show you with your never know wig. Lord God. Oh yeah, not look too bad so far. You forget, you know, I'm not do my lashes until Christmas. Yeah.
So you could put how you want it to be.
Would it come out for the big bumper try to mash up my life, but would it come out? Would it look nice? Hey guys, well, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe for more, and I'll see you again.